If your current water heater is leaking, running out of hot water, or just getting old, you are probably trying to decide between a traditional storage tank and a tankless on-demand system. But what is the real difference when it comes to installation costs, monthly energy bills, and how long the system will actually last in your Ohio climate? Let's break it down side by side.
Get Eco.
Are you tired of cold showers halfway through the morning rush? Or are you wondering if switching to a modern water heater will actually lower your monthly utility bills? The primary difference is how they heat your water. A traditional tank system continuously heats and stores 30 to 80 gallons of water 24/7, while a tankless system eliminates the storage tank completely, heating the water instantly only when you turn on a hot water tap. I'm Nate with Eco Plumbers, Electricians, and HVAC Technicians. In this video, I will walk you through a direct pricing breakdown, performance limits, and maintenance schedules for both configurations. By the end of this breakdown, you will know exactly which system fits your household's lifestyle, your physical space, and your long-term budget. To understand the cost differences, you have to understand how these systems operate daily. Traditional tank water heaters rely on something called standby heating. Cold water enters through an internal dip tube, and a gas burner or electric element keeps those 40 or 50 gallons hot all day long, even when you are sleeping or at work. It is a reliable and familiar technology, but it continuously loses heat through the tank walls, which wastes energy. A tankless water heater skips the storage entirely. When you open a faucet, a flow sensor triggers an internal gas burner or heat exchanger. It heats the water instantly as it passes through the unit, giving you an endless supply of hot water, but only using energy when the water is running. Let's talk about the upfront investment. Prices vary depending on the size of your home and the usage, but we can look at baseline national averages. A traditional tank water heater installation typically ranges from $2,500 to over $8,000 depending on tank size and options. This usually includes the basic tank, local plumbing permits, installation, labor, and removing your old unit. It is generally a fast, direct swap that takes our teams just a few hours because the existing venting and plumbing lines are already designed for a tank. A tankless water heater installation typically ranges from $5,500 to over $7,500. The upfront cost is higher because it is rarely a plug-and-play swap. We often have to enlarge your gas line to handle the higher BTU requirements, install specialized wall mounting brackets, and run new concentric venting through an exterior wall. While tankless systems cost more upfront, they are significantly cheaper to operate over time. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, tankless systems can be 24 to 34% more energy efficient than conventional storage tanks for homes using 41 gallons or less of hot water daily. This can translate to an average savings of $95 to $180 per year on your utility bills, allowing the efficiency difference to offset the initial installation cost after roughly 3 to 4 years. Lifespan is another major differentiator. A standard storage tank lasts about 8 to 12 years and carries a 6 to 10 year manufacturer warranty. A tankless system frequently lasts 15 to 20 years and comes with a 10 to 15 year warranty on the heat exchanger. So which one is right for your home? A traditional tank is likely your best choice if your primary goal is keeping your upfront installation costs low, or if you plan on moving out of your home in the next few years and won't realize the long-term utility savings. A tankless system is an excellent fit if you have a large family that constantly runs out of hot water, if you want to free up floor space in a tight closet or basement, or if you want a long-term, highly efficient asset that reduces your carbon footprint. There's one critical piece of advice we give the homeowners here in Greater Columbus, Dayton, Cincinnati, and Southern Ohio. Tankless units come in both gas and electric models. However, at Eco, we do not recommend electric tankless water heaters for our region. Because our winter groundwater temperatures get exceptionally cold, and electric tankless units struggle to heat the water fast enough to maintain a proper flow rate, which makes them highly inefficient and impractical for our local climate. Gas tankless systems are the standard for on-demand performance in Ohio. Additionally, because tankless units pass water through a compact heat exchanger, they require a regular descale treatment 1 to 2 times a year if you have hard water, whereas standard tanks just require a single annual flush. Every single home has a unique plumbing infrastructure and hot water demand. If you want to see exactly what it would take to upgrade your home's hot water system, click the link in the description below to read our detailed comparison guide, or go to geteco.com to schedule a completely free in-home water heater evaluation with our team. Thanks for watching. If this helped clear up your water heater questions, hit that subscribe button for more unbiased home service advice from our team. We'll see you in the next video.